a quick tip. Sometimes you go in the tunnel and everything is dark. On your glasses are still dark. So the tip is just lower your glasses a little bit, like this, and loop through here. I know. So easy and safe.
So today's quick tip is this. Just put your glasses a little bit down, look through the top, and when you go to a tunnel, because it gets dark so fast, and sometimes could be a hole or something that you cannot see it, and as soon as you get out, you just put it back. So simple. I know. Quick tips are very simple. They are made of things that happens in the day, and I remember, and I want to share with you, because most of you know already, but some people just don't know. I don't know, they never thought about it. I know, because this tip I gave to a lot of friends on my road bike friends, and they said, oh Chris, wow, that's much better. I know. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, especially for the quick tips, because they come in every time that I find something that I think would be nice to share with you, I'll do it. So I have no exactly day to do it. Hope you like it. Bye bye.